Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been long, and I've been saying I'm gonna post stuff, and to no avail. I haven't. To be honest, I've been struggling with space, and that has been my major issue. Also, I've also been having like really bad what do you call it, creativity block. I've been really struggling with creativity block, and I've just not had it in me to take videos or anything like that. But I feel like at least I should start somewhere. So today's vlog is just a chill one. It's a cooking vlog because, okay, one thing about me, I really love to cook, and I like it. Let me say I like it. I like cooking, and because I like to eat really good food, so I believe like it's kind of flex, but I believe that I know how to cook better in this house. But my dad does too. He makes such good fish. But I like cooking because it also keeps me like, you know, active, and you know, at least I know I have the skill in the bag, right? So yeah, today we're making chicken stew with rice, basmati rice. I think I'm gonna make a coleslaw. I'm gonna make butternut too. I might not make a dessert. I don't know. Depends on how I'm feeling by the time I finish cooking. Or while I'm cooking all these things, if I don't have a lot to do. But yeah. Chicken. I ended up moving my chicken to the gas. My stove isn't.
Seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I'm to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I realize on the hope of a good time, cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another.
Oh, these are gonna go in the oven. I've glazed them with butter. I made holes too. They're gonna go into the oven like this, and yeah.
My head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feel like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I realize on the hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. another chance. Blessed with another chance. I am 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 blessed.
So I think we've made everything. Salad is done. The butternut is still in the oven, but it's almost done. Rice is done. The stew is done. I don't know how I feel about making the dessert. I will see. Let me actually try and make it now. Okay, let me make it. I'll make it. But we're gonna plate up soon. Or let me make the dessert first. And then yeah. Okay, so the dessert we're making, because I have finally, okay, well, I gained up courage, no, energy to actually make the dessert. We're making marble pudding. I know it's quite hot, right? But I really have been craving this pudding. I've been really like wanting to make this, like okay, well, I've been always making it, but I've been craving it, so I was like, you know what, let's make it, you know. So in here we have 2 tablespoons apricot jam, 2 tablespoons butter, margarine, a teaspoon of vanilla essence. We also have 2 eggs. And right now I'm just going to whisk it up together. Okay, so I've just added half a cup of sugar. It looks like it's a lot, I don't know, but we're only gonna see like by the time we eat this if it's too much or not. But yeah, so I've just added white vinegar and milk. So we're just gonna stir it up, and then here we have 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, whatever. So here we have our batter mixed. It's supposed to be like in this consistency, and now we're going to put it in this casserole dish. So we're first going to put like butter around it, and then after that we're gonna put our batter inside it. So marble pudding is in the oven. I think I'm gonna put it in for like at least 28 minutes. It's supposed to be 30 minutes, but my oven, this oven, it pans, it burns. So I was even debating which portion to put it on. Our butternut is ready, so I'm just gonna put them on. So I put them here on this cutting board for them to like just rest a bit. Because it's actually quite hard to remove it out of the skin while it's hot, so I'm just going to let it rest a bit and cool down a bit more before I can maybe transfer it to a container. So this is what you're going to glaze the marble pudding with. Is it called glazing? But what you pour on top of it. So it's a cup milk, 2 tablespoons butter, and put like half a tablespoon of sugar. So yeah.